What if I told you that Triumph isn't just playing it safe in the 400 CFC segment, but is actually redefining what a mid-capacity motorcycle can be? While many brands focus purely on horsepower numbers or price tags, Triumph is doing something very different. They're building motorcycles around identity, heritage, and riding emotion. And today, we're taking a first look at two brand new machines that prove exactly that: the Triumph Tracker 400 and the Triumph Thruxton 400. Two motorcycles, one engine platform, and two completely different personalities. Triumph's 400e strategy has been one of the most interesting stories in the motorcycle world recently. After the success of the Speed 400 and Scrambler 400, Triumph is now expanding the lineup with models that go far beyond entry-level. Both the Tracker 400 and Thruxton 400 are built around an updated version of Triumph's 398 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine. This engine has been retuned to deliver more power than before, with output now sitting around 42 horsepower, along with a stronger mid-range that makes everyday riding more engaging. It features modern technology like ride-by-wire throttle, a slipper and assist clutch, ABS, and switchable traction control. So despite their classic looks, these are thoroughly modern motorcycles underneath. But where things get really interesting is how differently these two bikes feel once you look beyond the spec sheet. Let's start with the Triumph Tracker 400. The Tracker 400 draws heavy inspiration from American flat track racing. And unlike a typical scrambler or naked bike, this motorcycle is designed to feel raw, aggressive, and playful on the street. The riding position is upright and commanding, with wide handlebars and slightly rear-set foot pegs. This setup gives the rider excellent leverage and control, especially during quick direction changes or spirited riding on twisty roads. Visually, the Tracker 400 stands out immediately. It features a compact fuel tank, minimalist bodywork, flat track style number boards, and a small fly screen that adds a subtle racing touch. Triumph pairs this bike with Pirelli MT60R S tires, signaling that the Tracker 400 is built primarily for asphalt performance, with just a hint of rugged character rather than true off-road intentions. Suspension duties are handled by a 43mm upside-down front fork and a rear monoshock with preload adjustment. The focus here is agility and confidence, not long travel adventure riding. The Tracker 400 is for riders who want something different, not a café racer, not a scrambler, but a street bike with attitude and personality. Now let's shift to the more iconic nameplate, the Triumph Thruxton 400. The Thruxton name carries serious weight in Triumph's history. It represents classic café racer styling, performance heritage, and a pure connection between rider and machine. Bringing that name into the 400cc segment is a bold move, and Triumph hasn't taken it lightly. The Thruxton 400 is a true modern café racer. It features low clip-on handlebars, rear-set foot pegs, a sculpted fuel tank, and a sporty riding position that immediately sets it apart from other Triumph 400 models. There's a small front fairing that pays homage to classic race bikes, along with a single-seat cowl that reinforces its aggressive, minimalist design. This bike rolls on Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4 tires, a clear signal that the Thruxton 400 is tuned for sporty road performance. The chassis and suspension setup are firmer than the Tracker 400, prioritizing precision and stability at higher speeds. Despite its retro appearance, the Thruxton 400 still offers modern conveniences like full LED lighting and a contemporary digital instrument display, blending old-school style with new-school usability. This is not just a bike for posing at a cafe. It's designed to be ridden hard on mountain roads, where its focused ergonomics and sharp handling really come alive. In terms of market positioning, Triumph is clearly placing the Thruxton 400 as the premium model within its 400cc lineup. The Tracker of 400 sits slightly below it, offering a more relaxed yet aggressive street-focused alternative. Release timelines suggest that the Thruxton 400 will arrive first, followed by the Tracker 400 shortly after. Both models are expected to be sold globally, including in the US, Europe, and key Asian markets. Pricing hasn't been officially announced yet, but expectations are that the Thruxton 400 will carry a higher price tag due to its premium components and iconic branding. And this brings us to the bigger picture. Triumph is no longer treating the 400cc segment as beginner territory. Instead, they're creating motorcycles that feel intentional, emotional, and distinct. The Tracker 400 speaks to riders who want freedom, individuality, and a bit of control. The Tracker 400 speaks to riders who want freedom, individuality, and a bit of controlled chaos. The Thruxton 400 is for those who appreciate heritage, precision, and timeless café racer performance. Same engine, same displacement, but two completely different riding experiences. So the real question is no longer about horsepower or top speed, it's about identity. Are you drawn to the raw, flat track-inspired energy of the Tracker 400? Or does the classic performance-focused soul of the Thruxton 400 speak to you more? Let me know in the comments which one you'd choose. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Triumph's newest 400cc machines, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more motorcycle content. In conclusion, the Triumph Tracker 400 and Thruxton 400 prove that the 400cc segment has evolved far beyond being just a stepping stone for new riders. Triumph isn't simply offering smaller versions of bigger bikes. Instead, they are delivering motorcycles with clear identities, strong heritage, and modern performance. The Tracker 400 brings a bold, flat-track attitude that prioritizes agility and individuality, while the Thruxton 400 revives true café racer DNA with a more focused, performance-oriented character. Together, they show that style, emotion, and riding experience matter just as much as engine size. The Tracker 400 offers an aggressive and agile flat-track character, while the Thruxton 400 revives the DNA of a true café racer with a focus on performance and precision. Together, they demonstrate that style, emotion, and riding experience are just as important as engine capacity. See you in the next video. In the